Welcome to Crypto Bulls Club. My name is Som. Guys, this is a very emergency video about Bitcoin. At this point of time, the Bitcoin price is breaking down. So we'll jump directly into the charts right away. And guys, as you can see very clearly right here, that the Bitcoin price has finally broken below the it has finally broken below this particular pennant which it was forming since the last few days, right? I will just close this RSIs for now and just focus on this particular candle that we had formed back in about 4 hours back. It had finally broken down from the highs of about 29,700 and made a low of 28,800. It did hold the 28,800, but what I want to focus on today is, guys, this is gonna be the first candle. If you just see right here, this is the very first candle which has closed a body below this pennant formation that we have been seeing, right? And this is extremely critical for the Bitcoin price. Now there, for this coming upcoming or this current 4 hour candle, this you can see very clearly that we had a run up to about 29,000. We got a rejection. The simple reason is the 78.6 Fibonacci. This is on the 4 hourly time frame, and we got a downward movement to the lows of about 28,760, and we got a bounce there. Why we got a bounce? If we go to the 1 hour chart, it will be very clear why we got a bounce. The bounce is simply because we have got an extremely important support of 161.8 on 28,767. guys, this is absolutely critical. Now what I am watching out for is if this moves up. So if this kind of moves up and enters into this particular channel, let me just quickly get the pencil here and I'll just show it to you very clearly. So if we kind of we kind of enter here again into this particular channel, that's fine. Otherwise what we can see is if we just come down, we get a rejection from this particular trend line, and we get a rejection, that would mean a very bearish scenario for the Bitcoin price, guys. Okay, please be very mindful of this particular chart pattern. Also on the daily time frame, what we are seeing here is that if the stochastic RSI, okay, from the daily also we have broken out, but if we quickly get the stochastic RSI on the daily time frame, you'll be able to see this. Let me get the stochastic RSI. This is the stochastic RSI. We have it right here on the daily time frame. The stochastic RSI momentum has almost maxed out, guys, right? It is extremely critical, and we may actually see a downward movement. Now what could a downward movement of the stochastic RSI on the daily could lead to? It could lead to the Bitcoin prices testing the $24,000 level, guys, and it's extremely critical. So if you are taking any longs here, please be very mindful. Yes, 28,800 is a massive support, guys, right? But if we breach that, if we get a weekly closure below that, then we could see the levels of 24,000 being played out, and the stochastic RSI will not help in that case as well. Now moving on to the short term scenario, will I be taking any trades right here? Looking at the 4 hourly candle, this is at this point of time it's pretty indecisive, and the stochastic RSI on the 4 hourly is also pointing down, meaning the momentum is down, which means that we could actually see lower halves of 27,400 as well. If we go to the 1 hourly time frame, we'll be able to see this very clearly that we are bouncing off this major critical level of support. If we break this, the next critical level of support will be at 27,830. guys, why is this happening? Not because of the conventional markets. The conventional markets is anyways correcting, right? We all know that. But what we need to see here is the macroeconomic picture, rather, right? The macroeconomic picture is very bearish, guys, right? You need to keep that in mind. It's extremely critical. Also what I want to show to you is that you need to follow us on Twitter as well, because Twitter is the place where we keep you up to date from all the real-time happenings. And we tweeted about this particular pattern you can see right here about an hour back, and we told you that Bitcoin price has broken below here, and at that point of time the Bitcoin price was trading at around the $29,100, and it has clearly broken below, and we told you that we could soon test the $24,000 mark. So guys, it's very very important you follow us on Twitter as well. Coming back to the present scenario, guys, why are we seeing this? Why are we getting this kind of a from the kind of a dump? And this is simply because of the macroeconomic picture. Yes, there could be a small pumps here and there. If you are a professional trader, you can long it, but from the long term perspective, have different levels, have different strategies built in, and you can buy in. If you want to know my strategy as to what is my strategy for accumulating coins and which coins I am accumulating and what is the reason behind them, then go down to the comment section, comment strategy, and I will prepare a video on it. So guys, please pay very very close attention to this. The Bitcoin price is breaking down, and this is not good news. So that's pretty much it about this emergency video. Take very good care of yourself. Bye bye for now.